When investing in land, location is the most important factor. The land's value is highly influenced by proximity to key infrastructure like roads, utilities, and services. Look for areas with planned growth such as new developments, business centers, or schools. It's essential to research local trends, economic forecasts, and population growth. Consider if the land is in a desirable region that could increase in value. Rural areas can be cheaper but harder to sell, so focus on properties near expanding urban areas. The right location sets a strong foundation for potential value growth, ensuring a higher return on your investment over time. Before buying land, it's crucial to check zoning regulations as they determine what you can or can't build. Zoning laws vary by region and affect how you can use the land for residential, commercial, or agricultural purposes. Be aware of any restrictions that could limit your intended development, such as environmental protections or height restrictions for buildings. Verify this with local authorities to avoid unexpected legal issues. If you plan to build or develop, understanding zoning laws is key to ensuring that your investment aligns with your goals. Incorrect zoning can result in wasted time and money, so always confirm it before purchasing. Ensure the land has access to essential utilities such as water, electricity, and sewage systems. In remote or undeveloped areas, utilities may not be readily available, meaning you'll need to invest in infrastructure like drilling wells or installing septic systems, which can be expensive. Understand the costs involved in bringing utilities to the property before you purchase it. Even if utilities are available, ensure they're up to code and functioning properly. Lack of access to basic services can significantly increase your expenses and make the land less attractive for development or resale. Confirm utility availability to avoid surprises after your purchase. A land survey is vital before purchasing land to ensure that you know the exact boundaries of the property. This helps avoid potential legal disputes with neighbors over property lines. Professional surveys provide accurate measurements and ensure the land is as described. They also help identify any encroachments like fences or structures that might extend onto your property. Without a survey, you risk buying land Before buying land, research any environmental restrictions or concerns that might affect its value or development potential. Check if the land is located in a flood zone near wetlands or in an area protected by environmental regulations. Some land may be subject to conservation laws, which could restrict the types of buildings or developments you can create. Environmental issues like soil contamination or erosion can also increase your costs if remediation is required. Always consult with local authorities or environmental experts to assess any potential risks and ensure that the land is suitable for your intended use. These issues can reduce the land's value and impact your return on investment. Land financing is often different from purchasing a home, and it's important to understand your options. Lenders may require higher down payments and charge higher interest rates due to the perceived risk of lending on land. Research different loan types, including traditional bank loans, government loans, and seller financing to find the best deal. Keep in mind that financing terms can be less favorable than those for residential properties, so carefully consider your budget. Seller financing, though sometimes more flexible, can come with higher rates or stricter terms. Ensure you fully understand the financial commitment before proceeding with the purchase to avoid unexpected costs. Researching the land's market trends is critical before making a purchase. The land's value depends on factors like local demand, economic growth, and future developments in the area. Investigate whether property values have been rising or declining over time. Speak with local real estate agents or developers to gauge the area's future potential, such as upcoming infrastructure projects or new businesses. Understanding the market helps you assess whether the land will appreciate in value, which is key for a profitable investment. In areas with strong potential for growth, as the right location can lead to increased value and a successful return on your investment. Verify that the land has legal access to public roads or an easement. Without legal access, you may find it difficult to develop or sell the land, and it could reduce the land's value. If the land is located in a remote area or lacks road access, you'll need to negotiate with neighboring landowners to secure an easement, which can involve legal costs or disputes. Always confirm that access is legally recorded and documented before purchasing the property. Additionally, check that the road or path to the property is navigable year-round. Poor access can hinder development and lower your potential return on investment. Understand the property taxes and additional fees associated with land ownership before making a purchase. Taxes can vary significantly depending on the location and size of the land. Even if the land is undeveloped, you're still responsible for paying annual property taxes. Some areas also charge extra fees for utility services, road maintenance, or community improvements. If the land is part of a homeowners association, AHOA, there may be additional dues or restrictions on land use. Be sure to calculate these ongoing costs into your investment plan to avoid unexpected financial burdens down the road. Accurately estimating these expenses helps you assess the full cost of ownership. Before purchasing land, always consider its resale potential. Certain types of land, especially in remote or poorly connected areas, may be difficult to resell or appreciate in value. Look for land in areas with strong growth potential, such as near planned infrastructure projects, new developments, or population growth. Additionally, check if the land is easily subdividable. Smaller plots tend to sell more easily than large, undeveloped ones. Understand the demand for land in the region and whether you'll be able to sell it later if necessary. Resale potential is crucial for determining whether the land will yield a profitable return in the future. Ensure you're investing in land that has a good long-term market demand.